Assalamu alaikum. In today's class, I'm going to tell you how to animate your effect with transit by time. And if you are new to this channel, then watch my first videos which is in this playlist so that this class is easy to understand. So let's get started. First, I'm adding tap screen node to the visual scripting panel and then add transit by time. There are many options transit by time which I will explain to you as per requirement. Select your object and in the inspector panel click on the dot next to the position. From here click on set position and link it with the transit by time like I am doing. Link the value before doing it. You can choose your option by clicking on its option from here. If you are working on vector 2 then select vector 2. If you are doing it on number or color so that color can also be selected from here. Like I am doing on vector 2 now, so I will select vector 2 only. Go back to the inspector panel and click on the position dot. This time select get position from here and here link it to from the current position of your object. It will enter automatically here, and below that in the option of to enter the value where you want to move your object, and below that enter the duration of how much time it will take to reach your desired position, and below you can select as many loops as you want to repeat this process. Now as soon as I tap on the screen, it smoothly moves my object to the desired position in my time frame. And if I want to repeat this process 3 times, I enter 3 in the loop option. Now as I tap on the screen, it does this 3 times. And if I select the value of the ping pong option to true, see that it moves the object to my desired position first and automatically reverse it to the first position, which we use in many effects. To explain it better, I add a 3D text object to the hierarchy panel and set his property in the inspector panel. I'm adding a transit by time node and now I am adding set scale of text. I put the value of the current size in it. Below I put the value of the size I want and make its duration 1 second. When I tap on the screen, the size of the text is changing. Now let's check the ping pong value by setting it to true. Now I am increasing the loop. Increase its size a little. Now it looks pretty good. I'm going to duplicate it by selecting transit by time and pressing Ctrl D on the keyboard. Connect it to the previous node, put in its value and select set rotation from here. Now when I tap on the screen, it will execute the first transit by time and as soon as it executes the next one as well. Now see its scale is also changing and it is rotating as well. I am unlinking the screen tab node. To unlink it, hold down the shift button from the keyboard and press the left button of the mouse to cross the wire of the node, then it will be unlinked. Now I am adding a sequence node through which we can connect many nodes together. As you can see, I am connecting all the nodes separately with direct sequence node. when the sequence node is executed, so it will execute all at once. Now see, as soon as I tap on the screen, all the objects start moving at the same time. Now I delete the text rotation node, also delete both the set position and get position of the picture object, and here I scale set and enter its value. Now see, it looks good. Now add another transit by time node and link it to sequence. Now I will change the color of the picture. I shall go to the option and select the color and go to the inspector panel and click on the dot next to the color. Click on set color and select my colors that I want to set. After entering value of the duration and loops, I will activate the ping pong. Now see that it is increasing and decreasing the size of both and also changing the color of the picture. Where I put the picture to change the color with transit by time, I am going to put the text. Now see, with a little change, now it is changing the color of the text and it will be very helpful making interesting effect. In the next class I am going to tell you more about cool nodes that you can use to make your effect attractive. So stay tuned. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel, like and share and press the bell icon to get notification of every new video. See you in the next class.